What's up, everybody? How y'all doing today? Stay with me for a moment. So the boss man yesterday said, Chad, he said, we got to have something going on this weekend. He said, can you get a little creative and come up with something to help us sell cars on Saturday? I said, let me have a day and I'll figure this out. So I started walking around this dealership, looking around, seeing what materials I have to make something happen to sell cars, right? And I found this right here. As you can see, I've been out here working up a sweat. We're gonna have a sale on Saturday. That's right, we're gonna get it started. I'm already been out here for 30 minutes getting it started. We got our sale line wrapped way out there around the palm trees. Now we got our sale stuff wrapped around these palm trees. We're gonna have us a sale. That's right, and sales are fun, right? I've been asking people already that are coming in. I said, are you here for the red sale? What are you talking about? I said, you don't see the sale things up? I said, we having a sale today. So stay with us. Let's put some more up. We still got to decorate the whole front of the lot up there with this sale ribbon. And I guarantee that sales ribbon is going to help us to have a good Saturday out here at the used car store. Stay with me. So what we're gonna do in the front right here, I'm gonna take my ribbon, I'm gonna wrap it right around these poles and run down this front line here. So we'll have basically a ribbon kind of going around the dealership. It really makes a big deal. You know, a lot of the times the sale really is the mentality that you have as a salesperson to have the excitement to sell cars, okay? There's a difference in the word. Sale as in S-A-L-E, sell cars, S-C-L-L. Don't you ever forget it, okay? But again, it's the mentality, just like the balloons, the flags, and the ribbon. It's not so much for the customers. Of course, yes, it does get your attention from the road, but when the salesperson's out on the car lot selling cars, it puts a sense of excitement inside of them to put on a show, entertain their customer, and make them see that today's the day to get you a car. That's what I'm talking about. The next thing I got on the list, as we keep growing here as a dealership, is to get us one of those big blue gorillas to sit up on top of the dealership up there. Some kind of big blow up, because that store, it's the perfect size to have a huge blow up on top of there. You will see it happen. It's going to happen, folks. Stay with us. So anyways, remember guys, all you used car salesmen out there that are maybe watching my videos, always remember to give your ribbon a little flap to it, okay? It don't have to be too tight. Of course, I think I made this one here a little too tight, but I'm gonna do the other side a little differently here. You wanna give it a little flap. What that means is that that ribbon will flap a little bit in the wind when it's sitting on these poles. Now you say, well, why do you wanna give that ribbon a little flap, Chad? Well, for the main reason that it'll get you attention. Like I'm looking at this ribbon way over there right now. It's kind of flapping and moving in the wind. It catches your eye, okay? So again, it's just like putting a nice, pretty, shiny Dodge Challenger out on your car lot, right? It's pretty, it's gonna get your eye. It's called eye candy. So you want a little flap with your ribbon. Now the ribbon coming in right here can't be as low as that ribbon there. So we're actually gonna go up higher on our pole right here and run that right on all the way across, giving ourselves about 15 feet of clearance for any big trucks that pull in here. So last but not least, this one goes out to the car managers out there. If you are going to decorate your lot like you're having a sale, make sure to actually have a sale. You know, there's a lot of those big car dealerships out there that put all these gimmicks out there, say they're having a sale, all these things, and truly when the customer comes in, they figure out that it's just a gimmick. It's not a sale. There's no savings of anything. It's just a bunch of flags and signs and all that. Also, don't forget to put out your flags on your cars. The American flag is a great item to have on a used vehicle. or a new vehicle, but it lets people know that we are in support of the United States of America. No matter what political party you're in, we all love the United States of America. So get you some flags out on your cars, put your ribbons out, get you some balloons, and always remember to have a good time. The customer will sense your excitement as a salesperson, and if you're excited, you can definitely bet they're going to be excited as well. So have a good time, take care of your customers, and always make sure you give them the best deal possible. We'll see you soon. Again, thank you. I love all y'all. Thank you for watching. Like, comment, and subscribe. We'll see you then. We got somebody interested in buying a Dodge Challenger SRT8 Hemi 6.1 liter. We haven't had hardly anybody come in here interested in this car, so this man's interested in buying it, possibly getting it for his son. So we might have a deal here. Anyways, we're gonna go out for a ride a little bit and see how this thing rolls. And when we get back, maybe we'll work a deal. Well, I thought we were going to have a sale tomorrow, but I guess not. All that hype up I did and tried to make it seem like something big that it wasn't, you know? Well, I'll tell you this. Even though the guys told me to take down all this cheesy sales stuff on the car lot after they got here from the auction today, I'm going to still have a sale tomorrow. So if you watching this video right now on Facebook or YouTube and you want to buy a car, come on down and see your boy Chad right here at Auto Buy Center in Ravenel. I'm about 15 minutes south down Savannah Highway past Citadel Mall. It don't matter. This stuff don't matter. What matters is that you get a good deal. So, yeah, it got me a little excited, all these flags and flyers and all these things on the car lot. But again, at the end of the day, the sale starts with you. All right, everybody, we'll see you soon.